If you get a flat tire, proper use of your tire service kit can get you back on the road quickly and safely. If equipped, the tire service kit is stored in the rear cargo area under the load floor. If you do experience a flat tire, pull over to a safe location and turn on your hazard lights. Position the tire that needs inflating so that the valve stem is located near the ground. This will allow the tire service kit hoses to reach the valve stem with the tire service kit flat on the ground. Screw the clear flexible filling tube to the tire valve. Insert the power plug of the electric compressor into the vehicle power outlet socket. Push the tire service kit power button on. The kit will activate and the sealant and air will inflate the tire. Inflate the tire to a minimum of 26 psi or 1.8 bar. If the pressure is not at least 26 psi or 1.8 bar after 20 minutes, turn off and remove the tire service kit. Drive the vehicle 30 feet or 10 meters to distribute the sealant inside the tire. Repeat the inflation process. When the correct pressure has been reached, drive the vehicle for about 10 minutes. Stop the vehicle and recheck the tire pressure. If pressure is less than 19 psi or 1.3 bar, do not drive the vehicle. Contact an authorized dealer. If the pressure is at 19 psi, 1.3 bar or above, repeat the inflation process to reach the correct tire pressure and continue driving. Peel off the warning label from the bottle and place it on the dashboard as a reminder to the driver that a tire has been treated with the tire service kit. Check the expiration date on the sealant bottle and do not exceed the speed restriction for the treated tire. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.